Your calendar is full, but does anyone know what's on it but you? Your calendar is more than just appointments, it's your life plan. Work deadlines, client meetings, doctor visits, recurring payments, anniversaries, renewal dates, Zoom calls. Every important moment is neatly stored inside an app or platform only you use. But have you ever stopped to think, what happens if you can't access it? More importantly, what if no one else can? Now imagine you suddenly become unavailable. You're in the hospital, traveling, or dealing with an emergency. Your team, your spouse, even your clients are waiting. They expect something from you, a call, a delivery, a payment. But you're not there, and your digital calendar is locked away with no one else able to see what's next. Suddenly, the entire system collapses. Important bills are missed, meetings are ghosted, renewals slip through the cracks. And the people who care about you, or depend on you, are left guessing, overwhelmed, and stressed. That's the hidden danger of digital isolation. When your calendar becomes your sole brain, but no one else has the map. The Digital Emergency Kit changes this. It helps you outline and share your essential digital routines with the people you trust. You can list your platforms, Google Calendar, Outlook, iCal, important recurring tasks, and even alert someone about critical future deadlines, without compromising your privacy today. You don't need to share your entire schedule. You just need to create a backup plan. Your life isn't random, it's structured. Now make sure that structure survives, even if you're temporarily out of the picture. Click the link in the description and use the Digital Emergency Kit to make sure your schedule doesn't become someone else's crisis.